Hey guys, it's Key, and we're gonna be doing another live take. So stay tuned. I'm gonna pause this, and when I see something, see a setup, then I resume raw, uncut. And as you can see, we've only got like a couple minutes, 10 seconds left until the bell rings. So if I see a setup, we'll start this up and then we'll record it. So BRB. So I think we found our first candidate, BIA Sava. Sorry. There you go. Miss my entry. Let's see. I think I should be able to go with 100 shares, potentially. So this should be our first candidate. Looks strong. I'm looking to take some advantage. Spread is kind of wide. I'm also looking at BIAF, moving a good bit. Let's see Sava. Sava look like it want to make a move, but it shows some resistance up here at 50.77. I'm gonna mark that. Okay, so this one look a little bit shaky, so let's check out BIAF. BIAF made a good move so far, but I'm not really feeling like wanting to trade this one. And the reason why is because I'm not able to use margin on it. But I mean, let me stop being biased and just make money if there's opportunity. But right now I'm just chilling, and we'll come back if there's anything I want to take a trade on. But so I think I found the first candidate. I think I'm gonna take a short on Snap. Let's see. Going with a small size, if anything. I'm looking at Snap, and I'm also looking at PRTA. Let's see. Okay, I'll take a short position there. I'm not looking to take out too much out of this, but we'll see. Not looking to take too much because this kind of move a little bit slow, and the stop is going to be tight. I might potentially add if we could break under 65. Okay, I just add another 5, so I'm in with 1,000 shares. Let's see how this move. And like I said, it's gonna be a tight stop if it goes against me. So if this can get below 65, 1065, and then potentially retest 1060 and break 1060, we could potentially see a free fall. Hopefully the music in the background doesn't affect the video. You know, YouTube. I like listening to music. It keeps me calm, focused. So I got in my average is what 65, 1065. And that's my P&L. Well, unrealized. Let's see what we doing here. Okay, so we might be in favor. Let's see. It's showing some weakness. As you can see, there's some support. Support at 65. Are they trying to hold it up? He's a big buyer at 1065. Can we break through and get that free fall? Okay. Probably my max loss on this, I'll probably say probably $60 if it do, you know, go against me. And I'm not looking to take too much out of this either. So let's see how it goes. First trade of the morning. Let's go, baby. But yeah, should go in our favor. It's showing some weakness up here. But I feel like if it comes to 60, try to retest that 60, we might have some support, not resistance, support. Probably. And the reason why is because it's also a whole number, so essentially see some support there. Let's see. So far. And in our favor. Still holding up strong though. One thing I'm trying to do or implement in my trades is letting my winners run, but I'm not gonna be, you know, foolish about it. If I see something where it's not working in my favor, I will cut either the loss or take the win, you know. So I'm just paying attention to the level 2, and if I see anything that look like it's moving shaky, then I will move accordingly. I'm just trying to see how this reacts. Okay, look like we have some support there. Trying its best to retest. Let's see. Got some buying at 62, 61. Come on, let's go. Let's get that push. Nice. I think, let's see, the 60 might be support, but will it break through? Let's see. Yes, I'm selling at 60. Okay. And I'll take that. So $50 on the day, quick trade, easy in and out. Like I said, I wasn't looking to take too much from it, but I'm gonna still stick around and look at some other trades. The next trade I might take is on PRTA, and I might look for a short on that one, but we'll see. But that will be the end of the video, guys. A quick $50 on the day. Good trade. After commission, that should be around 48 or $47. Perfectly fine. Base hits. There's nothing really today to really make that much money off of, so I'm just gonna cut it short today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you guys like these videos, the live trades, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy seeing me grow this small account. All right, so thanks for tuning in. It's Key Life Trading, and also check my other videos out. I got other videos. Go check them out and show me some love, okay? And as you can see, look at you see the support that we got, that bounce. Exactly what I was talking about. But I'm gonna cut the video short. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully you guys make some money today. Let me know if you see anything I could have done better in my trades. Put it in the comment section. All right, I love you guys. Peace. Enjoy.